Well, it is Sunday morning up on Bear Hill in Vermont, and we have a beautiful snowstorm coming. Everybody got everything they needed to do done yesterday. So now we can sort of hang out and enjoy the snow. I've got all my morning chores done. The borrowed dog has been fed and walked. I've made some coffee, and now I'm going to head out to the sauna. And I thought I'd take you with me. Let you see what Vermont looks like in the snow here. Now those steps go down, it's a drop of about 3 feet, and now it's a drop of about a foot. I've been out earlier this morning and put some wood on the stove, so it should be nice when I get in here. Let's see here. Yeah. It's not a bad place to be in a storm. What do you think? Changing room looks great. Let's see how we're doing in the sauna. Feels like a sauna in here. Let's see what we got. Yeah, I think that's about perfect. It's like 95 centigrade, spot on about 200 degrees Fahrenheit. Nice and warm. Beautiful snowstorm to watch. Nice little wood stove keeping us warm and toasty. I hope you guys are as happy as I am. And I hope that if you're in a snowstorm, you've got someplace this warm to hang out. Take care of yourself.